First drink that we're going to make is called the C.E.R.B, or Canadian Erable Royal Benefit. Ironically named, we're all on it right now, so why not drink it? So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our shaker. And next we're going to fill it up about 1/3 of the way with ice. Filled to about there. Next we're going to take our apple butter. We're going to take 3 spoonfuls of this. You don't need a fancy spoon, you don't need a full tablespoon. It will be thick, so you know. Then you can take either your whiskey or your dark or amber rum. You can try it with other alcohols as well. These two are just the ones I think that would work the best with this recipe. So for the sake of this, I'm using Havana Club Dark. I'm going to put in 2 ounces. You can put in a little bit less if you want. It's up to you. Next we're going to lock it. So our locking technique, we take the top of our glass, we put it on, and we tap it. See that? We didn't whack it. It wasn't a smash. Just tapped it into place. So we're actually going to do our technique. So it's locked. So we want to put it in front of our chest, outwards like this, and we're just going to shake. And we want to make sure that it's locked because we are going to shake this vigorously. It is thick, so it's going to take a lot of force to get that ice to mix the apple with the rum. Here we go. We're going to unlock it. So, like we do, we put the shaker down. We're going to put our hands on the side. We're going to put our thumbs upwards, and we're just going to push. And it comes off. No trouble, no bashing it against the side. It comes off easy click. Just dirty pour right into the glass. And then we're going to take see how it's thicker? See how it's thicker? It's a bit of a thick drink. Next we're going to take our garnish, which is an apple slice. You can actually rub the sides of the apple slice to make sure that they don't get browned. And put a small slit in it. Just put a small slit in it. And there you have it. The C.E.R.B, guys. Cheers. This drink means fall to me. I've been making this drink for years. I love it. I make apple butter every single year. I go apple picking and mixing it with rum or whiskey, just straight up like this. If you want to take the apple slice and just go around the glass, that way, all around the glass, there's the scent of that apple, and that's the first thing that you notice when you put it up to your face. It just reinforces that apple flavor. And this apple, and the maple and the apple, it just tastes like fall. Cheers. Cozy drinks. I'll have my videos to my other 2 cocktails above. You can take a look at them too. Also, if you want, subscribe to my website. Find out about next month's cocktail. Next month is going to be really fun, guys. It's going to be Halloween. I'm going to do a live session for you guys. So you can, hopefully, we'll set it up that you can ask questions during. And I'll make the cocktails with you. And got a Halloween theme. Very fun. Check it out. Like, comment, and subscribe. And enjoy the cocktails.